Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play some Roblox, and it's this home tycoon. I'm sorry, I already started, but this guy wanted me to record, but where is he? I recording. I just need to say to this guy that I'm recording. Okay, bro, I'm recording. Yeah, this guy really wants to be on YouTube. Okay, so RGMS, shout out to you. What the? Oh, that makes, okay. I have so much money, let's get working on our house. Okay, let's buy the walls. We need to build a wall. What? Why'd you just buy inner walls, buy, and buy. Lol. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Okay, dance one. Ah, okay. I just figured that out. Ow! Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me, Mr. Waffle Face! Is that our gym? Where'd our gem? Oh. Did you just hear that? What the cheeseburger said? I have a cheeseburger, please, or whatever. So there's nothing in the house. You just income boost. What's that? I get $9 per second. Nice. I need an entrance. It's most cheapest. The hedges. The hedge. Buy the hedge. Okay, where'd our games go? Okay, I'll get some money and I'll be. Okay, so I got $400, so let's buy the lamps. Or windows, whatever that was. Buy garage. Why is everything so? But now I get 10 per second. Yay. Yeah, where'd our games go? Boom. Why not? Oh, you have a max friend limit, but I want to be your friend. Buy a hedge. Oh, that's a hedge. Wait, what? Illuminati confirmed. Illuminati confirmed. Guys, my recorder was randomly not working, and I'm having weirdly 11 plus money now, but I bought the hedge and the windows. But Illuminati confirmed. Where did I get this pancake? Egg eyes and bacon mouth. It's Illuminati. Where else would it be? What the? Gears unlocked. Pizza cheeseburger. Protest sign. Is this music copyright? I don't think so. I might turn it down, it's kind of loud. Oh, I think it's emotes, wave. I have 669 money. Buy an entrance. Main door. Come on, I don't have enough. Close that menu. Buy a door. Home sweet home. I can't believe that the second most popular game in Roblox is a tycoon. How much money do I get per second? 14. Path's honestly cheapest. Garage, that much. Let's say hi again. I like that they added the things that it would say. It's so cool. That's what I like. Okay, garage door. No, 16. Like, buy a hall lounge. What's the cheapest? A grill. We have to get a grill. Grills is the king of everything. I don't care about fences. I can't live without a grill. But where did this waffle face come from? Why is that guy super tiny? Is this a house freaks? Oh, I've got a lot of money. Not enough for the grill. Oh, donate 0 out of 500. Is that supposed to be a pet? But let's go get the grill. We need the grill. Wait, what's that? I don't feel safe without a grill. Ooh, and free table and chairs, but let's go. What is that? Do you see it? And it's gone. That scares me. That's scary. I do not want to see that again. I've got a lot of money. Let's buy a hole. I'm actually scared right now. That freaks me out so much. Oh yeah, the bed. Oh, that's the bathroom. Whoops. Let's get the cheaper bathroom first. Why my game just froze? Oops. $20 plus per second. Okay, now let's get 800. I'll be back when I get like a lot more money. Actually, guys, I'm gonna end the video. I'm really bored, but I hope you enjoyed it. Just a short little video. ARGMs has a YouTube channel. Then like shout out to him or whatever. Where am I going? Yeah, that shout out scared the poop out of me. Yes, the poop. Yeah, so I'm gonna end it in 3, 2, 1.